Hi friends. uh, 40 today 41st day है breakdown का 41st day, and all these days I have not been able to see my car. Normally I park my car in a parking which was locked all these days, and I understood that अभी खुला हुआ है and at least you can start the vehicle during those 10 to 12 timing. So I have now come here to see the condition of my car, whether how can I start it or no. This is it, car is here, and from outside it seems okay. The tires are okay. I think the tire pressure is good. I had to, it is dirty all over, so I need to check the battery. I will try to start the vehicle now with my remote. If it works, it means battery is fine. Just a moment, I'll try to yes, I got the key, and let's see. Oh, awesome. So I think battery is okay. We'll just get inside the car. I think it is working. From battery wise, it is working fine. So let me I'll first start the vehicle. Just this video can be used as a guideline. If you are starting your vehicle after a long time, you need to take the care accordingly. Just keep the ignition on, wait for few seconds like this, and now I will crank the vehicle. I'll just crank the vehicle. Awesome, it has started. Just keep it under idle RPM. Don't raise it. Your car is idle for a long time. I'll just put on this light, and your car is idle for a long time. So don't raise the engine. Don't put AC on. Keep this way for at least 30 seconds. Let the car run in idle RPM for 30 seconds. You can take the windows down if you want, just to have a fresh air. The windshield glass is completely dirty. Do not run your wipers on with this. You should have a water in a bottle. उसको डाल के थोड़ा गीला करके make the glass wet, and then only you run the wipers. Otherwise your wipers will get damaged, and there will be some scratch marks on the glass also because of the dirt. I think it is fine now. It is running quite fine. So now we can put the AC on. Don't turn on your compressor. Just turn on the blower first. We'll just turn on the blower, and we will wait for 30 seconds with only blower on. Put your recirculation mode on. Let the air recirculate. And we will wait for another 30 seconds or a minute. By the meantime, just few guidelines. Your parking brake should be off. It should not be raised. If you are parking the vehicle for longer duration, don't raise the parking brake. Don't park the vehicle with parking brake. Keep it released. Parking brake should be released. Vehicle should be parked in a geared condition. Let the vehicle be in first gear and park it for longer duration. Wipers, if you can see here, wipers should be raised. Wipers should be raised above the way they are done here. So the wipers should not be touching the glass. So these are the few tips for long duration parking. Check the interiors of your vehicle for any rat entry or rodent entry. further we'll go outside and we'll check the bonnet also. We need to see that there is no bonnet entry, no rat entry inside the bonnet. Now I am putting my AC on. I am still not raising the RPM. My vehicle is still in an idle RPM, and now I have put my AC on. Let us check whether I am able to sense the breeze of cold air. So this will confirm that my AC is working fine. Yeah, it is coming. Cold air is coming. So I will just now open the bonnet. We will keep the engine running, no problem. Will maybe my central locking alarm will go out. Let it be. And now we will check the bonnet and we will see whether there is any possibility of rat bite or some damage or cuts, wiring cuts or anything. Just a moment. Yeah, so I will put on my light, and this is the engine, and I think seems to be okay. This seems to be okay. Now after this video, what I will do is, using a torch, I will try to see more. Let us take the torch first. Yeah, I have a torch on me. So using the torch I can see whether is there any rat cut or wiring harness damage or any pipes or any hoses damage. I don't see any. I think we are good to go. Now one thing we need to do is, the vehicle is on the same position at this spot of tires. Vehicle is here since last 40 days. It is on the same spot of tires. So what we need to do is just move the vehicle slightly ahead or slightly below, so that slightly behind, so that the tires will not develop a flat spot. Tires will, being the flexible material, because of the weight of the vehicle standing on the same spot for a long time, they will develop some flat spots. So to avoid that, we will be just moving the vehicle outside and inside. I might take a short drive also within the parking. I think this is it. This is it. I think we are good to go. So thank you so much. This is the car care we normally take. Just one point. As I told you, I have not raised the parking brake. Vehicle is not in the parking brake. So when I will be switching off the vehicle, I will be keeping it in the first gear, and I will try to put some stones or some pebble, some stone or something at the front of the vehicle, just to keep prevent it from rolling. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. This was the care which you need to take of your vehicle if you are parking the vehicle for a long duration. Thank you so much, and stay safe, stay home. God bless.